Cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
Sensei Andrew, can you believe all the things that can change in just 1 year?
Yeah, the Catalina wine mixer is this Saturday, isn't it?
This Saturday, I can't believe it. It's been a year since you, boom, gave old William Blackwell a kick to the twigs and berries and got me the win. I really appreciate that. Wow, it's been a year. Hey, you know what's crazy? For the third time, Sleezy-E's going up against FGA at the Battle of the Catalina Wine Mixer. But here's the kicker. I got Matt Williams tagging with me. You know, he's with the Memphis Wrestling now. He said he might even be able to get me a break. And the truth is, I think FGA's caused enough problems in my life.
But you say that, but I think in another life, maybe y'all could have been pretty good friends.
Who? Me and FGA? Good friends?
So,
You really think so? Sensei Andrew, I know you're a devout husband, now father, congratulations, and purple belt. But I think you're completely out of your mind by saying that Sleezy-E and FGA could ever be good friends. But that brings me to this Saturday, Battle at the Catalina Wine Mixer, Volume 3, Little Rock, Arkansas, at the lot. Sleezy-E, FGA, it's time we end this, baby.